This time we will go to Disneyland Hong Kong using Hong Kong's MTR. The MTR, which means Mass Transit Railway, is the most popular mode of transportation in Hong Kong. Its construction is prompted as a solution to the increasing road congestion problem caused by Hong Kong's fast-growing economy. As a result of its very successful railway operation, the MTR has served as a model for other new railway systems in the world. We will be traveling from Tsim Sha Tsui to Disneyland Hong Kong using our Octopus card. The Octopus card is a smart card which is mostly used to pay for rides on MTR, buses, minibuses, ferries, trams, and on a few taxis equipped with Octopus card readers. It is also used as a mode of payment in shops, fast food, bookstores, convenience stores, and other places provided with Octopus card readers. If you are traveling from the Hong Kong or Kowloon stations, you can ride directly on the Tung Chung Line train which connects to the Disneyland Resort line. At the Kowloon station, for example, we can ride the Tung Chung Line train which is going in the direction of Tung Chung and get down at the Sunny Bay station. At the Sunny Bay station, we get down to transfer train and ride the Disneyland Resort line train going to Disneyland Resort Hong Kong. To search for the train route to Disneyland Hong Kong using mobile phones or tablets, we use the browser such as the Google Chrome and go to MTR Hong Kong website by typing and selecting www.mtr.com.hk/en/customer/main. You can search for the train route using a landmark such as a hotel, like in this example where we select the hotel Holiday Inn Golden Mile. Then we can also select a destination which is an MTR station such as the Disneyland Resort MTR station. Then we click search and click details. Here we can see that in this example we will use the West Rail Line in East Tsim Sha Tsui MTR station and that we will enter the train station at exit number N5. We can also just select the MTR stations. First, we enter the from or origin MTR station such as Tsim Sha Tsui in this example. Then we enter the to destination MTR station such as the Disneyland Resort. Then when we click search, we will see the entire train route and that this time we will use the Tuen Wan line at the Tsim Sha Tsui MTR station. Now let us see the train route to Disneyland Resort Hong Kong from Tsim Sha Tsui MTR station. From Tsim Sha Tsui station, we have to first ride the Tuen Wan line train going in the direction of Tuen Wan. This is actually the same train we use in going to Mong Kok Ladies Market. At the Lai King station, we transfer trains and ride the Tung Chung line train going in the direction of Tung Chung. Then at the Sunny Bay station, we transfer trains and ride the very cute Disneyland Resort line train going to Disneyland Resort Hong Kong. Now, if we compare the two MTR search from our two previous train trip plans, we can see that one used the West Rail Line at the East Tsim Sha Tsui station, while the other used the Tuen Wan line at the Tsim Sha Tsui station in going to Disneyland Resort Hong Kong. Actually, both the West Rail Line and the Tuen Wan line can be accessed from the two train stations, namely the Tsim Sha Tsui station and the East Tsim Sha Tsui station. This is because The two train stations are connected to each other. If we go back to our MTR search for Disneyland Hong Kong and click the information icon and click Station Facilities, we will see the station layout for both the Tsim Sha Tsui and East Tsim Sha Tsui stations. We can also see that exit number N5 is near the Tuen Wan Line train platform. From exit number N5, we can use either the Tuen Wan Line or the West Rail Line in going to Disneyland Resort Hong Kong. However, we chose the Tuen Wan Line because it is very easy to go there from exit number N5. But where is exit number N5 of the Tsim Sha Tsui station? We can find exit number N5 by using the browser such as the Google Chrome and go to www.google.com/maps. We search for a reference which is the Holiday Inn Golden Mile Hong Kong, and from the result we will know that exit number N5 is near the corner of Nathan Road and Modi Road. We will now go to exit number N5 of the East Tsim Sha Tsui station. For reference, we start walking from Holiday Inn Golden Mile Hotel. Golden Mile is actually the old name of Nathan Road. Holiday Inn Golden Mile Hotel is actually at the corner of Nathan Road and Modi Road. And so we have to walk up to the end of the corner of Modi Road and Nathan Road. And then we walk back on the other side of Modi Road. As you can see, we are now entering the MTR subway at exit number N5 of the East Tsim Sha Tsui station and the Tsim Sha Tsui station. After getting down the stairway, if we walk further ahead, we will reach the West Rail Line. But if we turn right and make a U-turn, we will immediately reach the Tuen Wan Line train platforms. From here, we will already see the Tuen Wan Line ticket gates. But we can also enter the Tuen Wan Line on the other side. Our Octopus card is not working. If that is the case, then we have to go to the customer service center who will fix the problem of our Octopus card. After getting our Octopus card fixed at the customer service center, we can now enter the Tuen Wan Line ticket gates.
Please look after young children and offer help to the elderly.
We are now at the Tuen Wan Line train platforms. On the right is the Tuen Wan Line going to Hong Kong Central Station, while on the left is the one going to Tuen Wan. We ride the Tuen Wan Line train going in the direction of Tuen Wan. When you board the train, you will see an active line diagram and route map where you can see the progress of the train journey. The red LEDs which are on indicate the stations which the train has not yet passed. When the train is about to arrive at a particular station, such as in this one which is the Jordan station, the red LED for that station will flash. In this journey on board the Tuen Wan Line train, watch out for the lighting station LED. When it flashes, we have to get ready and get down as soon as the train doors open. We finally arrived at the lighting station. At the lighting station, the Tuen Wan Line platform going in the direction of Tuen Wan and the Tung Chung Line platform going in the direction of Tung Chung are just in front of each other. At the lighting station, we get down to transfer trains and board the Tung Chung Line train going in the direction of Tung Chung and the Disneyland Resort Line. At the Sunny Bay Station, we get down to transfer trains and ride the very cute Disneyland Resort Line train going to Disneyland Resort Hong Kong. We finally arrived at the Disneyland Resort MTR station. At the Disneyland Resort station, we use our Octopus card to exit the MTR station. From the Disneyland Resort MTR station, we can then walk to Disneyland Resort Hong Kong. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button so that you will be notified on the next videos which I will post in this channel.